Tired of your Salesforce report being locked in a private folder? Learn how to make it public in under 5 minutes. We'll start by creating a new report, then save it to the Public Reports folder. Let's go. So the first thing we need to do is head over to the Reports tab in Salesforce. I'm going to click on New Report right there. This is where every great report begins, but the trick is making sure it ends up in the right place. Now, once you click that, you'll be asked to choose a category. This is basically the object your report is going to be based on. Think of it like picking the type of data you want to work with. For example, if you're building a report on your sales pipeline, you'd pick opportunities. If you're tracking customer interactions, you might pick activities. It's all about finding the right starting point. After you've selected your category, click the Continue button. This takes you into the report builder, where you can add filters, columns, and all the good stuff. I've worked with this interface a lot, so trust me when I say it's worth taking a moment here to get the layout right. Now, before we can make this report public, we actually need to save it first. So I'm going to click on Save. And here's where the magic happens. Notice that by default, your report is being saved to a private folder. You can see it right there next to the folder name. That's the problem we need to fix. Go ahead and click on that Select Folder option. You'll see a drop-down with a few choices. Right now, it says Private, which means only you and people you explicitly share with can see this report. But we want everyone who gets the link to be able to view it. So click on Public Reports. This is the key step. Once you select that, the folder type changes from private to public. And here's the really important part. By saving a report to a Public Reports folder, anyone with the link can access it, even if they don't have a Salesforce login. Now, click that Select Folder button to confirm your choice. Then go ahead and click Save one more time. This final save is what actually locks in the public setting, so your report is now officially public. Let me show you how to verify this. Go back to your report and look at the sharing settings. You should see that the folder name now says Public Reports instead of Private. That's your confirmation. Now for the best part, sharing the link. Copy the URL right from your browser address bar. That's the link you can send to anyone, even people outside your organization. But let's test it to make sure it works. Open up an incognito window or a private browser session. Paste that link in, and if everything went right, you should be able to see the report without logging in at all. That's the whole point. So there you have it. From a locked-down private report to something anyone can access with a single link. It's a simple change, but it makes a huge difference when you need to share data with partners, clients, or stakeholders outside your company. Give it a try, and you'll be sharing reports in no time.